Okay. Exercise number 15.1, example number 23. A game consists of tossing a 1 rupees coin 3 times and noting its outcome each time. Hanif wins if all the toss give the same result, i 3 heads or a 3 tails, and losses otherwise. Calculate probability that Hanif will lose the game, not win the game. Okay. Now a coin is tossed 3 times. How many outcome possibles are there? 8. And which are that? All 8 possible outcomes are as follows. Here H indicates heads and tail indicates tail. T indicates tail. HHT means all 3 times getting the head upside, upturn. HHT 2 times H and 1 time T. HTT, HTH, TTT, TTH, THH, THT. ઓકે અને કેવી રીતે યાદ રાખશું H H H, right? Second time H H, third time H, fourth time H, T T T T T. All 4 are here. Then H is replaced by T. H is replaced by T and T is replaced by H. You will get it. Okay, all this one. That is the way to remember. Okay, so all this one. Number of all possible outcomes is 8. Number of all outcome possible is 8. Let A be the event. Hanif lost the game. Hanif lost the games. That means there are 6 outcomes where all the losses do not give the same result. આ 6 result આવે તો હનીફ હારી જાય. Okay, HHT, HTT, HTH, like this way. In short, HH આવે તો જીતે, TTT આવે તો જીતે. But anything others, if it's obtained, then he will lose the game. Therefore, the number of favorable result is equal to 6. For losing, be careful, not winning. So PA, A we have taken. PA, probability of losing the games, number of favorable result is equal to 6. Total number result is equal to 8. 3 upon 4 is your answer. Okay. Now example number 24. આ 3 coins એકી સાથે લો કે એક coins 3 વખત કરો, બંને same result. Okay. Now here a die is thrown twice. એક die આપણે એક વખત નાખી, બે વખત નાખી. કે તમે બે die એકી સાથે એક જ વખત નાખો, the result is same, event is same. What is the probability that 5 will not come either time? 5 will come up at least once. When a dice is thrown twice, all the possible outcomes are as follows. In last example, we have done it like this way: 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 6 1 6, like this way 6 6. So number of all outcome possible is equal to 36. Now 5 will not come up. I do not want 5 at anywhere. Which types of this one? So 5 is here, 5 is here, 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 and all this line. If I cut it, remaining is here. Let A be the event will not come up either times. 5 will be not come either times. કોઈ વખત પણ આવશે નહીં. Such observations are this one. See here. In this case, you will not see 5 anywhere. So total number of this result is 25. Here you can see here. આમાં અને આપણે કાઢી નાખ્યું એટલે that is 11 and that is 25 upon 36 is equal to this one. Now 5 will come up at least once. ઓછામાં ઓછું એક વખત 5 આવતું છે. તો આ બધામાં ઓછામાં ઓછું એક વખત 5 આવે છે. આમાં બે વખત આવે છે. આ બધામાં એક એક આના અંદર બે વખત પણ ચાલે. Okay, at least one time. So number of observations is 11. So answer is 11 upon 5. Let D be the event will come up at least one such observations are 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 6 in which it contains the 5 in short. So total number of favorable result is equal to 11. So probability of this one, total number of result is 11. Probability of B, that means probability will come up at least 5 is equal to 11 upon 36. Total number of result upon total number of result upon total number of favorable result upon total number of outcomes 11 upon 36. Okay. Questions. Example number 25, last example. Then we will do some example from the practice book. Okay. Extra sums we will do. Which of the following arguments are correct and which are not correct? Give the reason for the answer. State true or false and give the reason. First, if two coins are tossed simultaneously, બે coins આપણે toss કરીએ છીએ એકી સાથે. There are three possible outcomes: two heads, two tails, or each of. Therefore, each of these outcomes, the probability is 1 upon 3. That is totally wrong. Why? When you toss the coin, two coins at a time, you will get first of all four outcomes, which are HH, HT, TH, TT. HT and TH are separate outcomes. Be careful. Event is 3, HH, HT or TH. Event is 1, TT. Okay, but outcomes is separate. So probability of getting the HH, favorable result 1, total 4, 1 upon 4. Favorable result HT or TH, how many? 2. Therefore 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. P, TT, probability of the tail and tail at both the time 1 upon 4. So here while we are given that the probability is equal to 1 upon 3. That is wrong. Now second statement we will read it. If a diatron, there are two possible outcomes, an odd number or an even number. Therefore, probability of getting odd number is equal to 1 upon 2. Yes, correct. When a die is thrown, one of the numbers from this one, numbers from 1 to 3, 4, 5, 6, we will get it, will turn up. So number of all possible outcomes is 6. So let A be the event of getting the odd number. How many odd numbers are there? 1, 3, 5 are the three favorable results to A. So PA is equal to favorable result upon total number of result 3 upon 6. So probability of P is equal to 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 2. Here 1 upon 2. So given statement is correct.